What's up, guys? It's SCYCO Fishing and Hunting, and today we're doing some fishing. I'm using a SCYCO's lure with some squirrel hair trailer on it, silver, size 3 with a blue sticker. First cast. Oh, I just had a nice brownie fall it right up. Yeah, it's probably about at least 14. There's one. Oh, he got off. I got one. Huh. Got a rainbow. They must stock this or something. There you go, guys. First fish of the day is a rainbow. Caught it on the squirrel tail lure. About a foot, maybe a foot and half inch, something. I'm gonna get release. Got one. He's an edible. No. No, he didn't. That probably wasn't edible, guys. Did he really break me off? That little tiny fish. What? He must have had a weak spot or something. Oh. Yeah, I still got. I thought he got off. That's really dark. Oh. There we go, second fish of the day. That's really dark.
That's cool. Yeah, it's really dark.
Everyone. I got caught as soon as it hit the water.
Gold, I put that freaking gold back on. You lose that time.
My other silver size 3 with the blue sticker. Oh, I lost my leader and everything. There's a fish. Little brownie. There you go. Here he is. Let's let him go. There he goes. Yeah.
Oh, that on.
Gold size 3.
That's bad.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. Maybe we'll catch some bass up through here.
I'm gonna drop that. Two. I didn't caught anything all day.
There you go, guys. First smallmouth of the day.